Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the color of the header on just one specific page in Wix. This is a simple but super effective way to make a page stand out, highlight important content, or create a customized look for different sections on your website. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly update your header color without affecting the rest of your site. So let's jump straight in. Alright, first things first. You'll want to open up your Wix web design. Just head over to the Wix editor for your website. Remember, we're making changes that will only show up on one page, not everywhere. Make sure you're on the exact page where you want your header color to be different. If you're not, switching pages is easy from the menu on the left. This way, you won't accidentally update the headers across your whole site. Next, up in the top right corner of the editor, you'll see the Tools option. Click on that. Now, depending on how you've set up your workspace before, the Tools panel might already be open, but if it's not, don't worry. This is a standard part of the Wix interface. Within Tools, go ahead and enable Layers. Turning on Layers is important because it helps you see and select different elements on the page more precisely, especially if you've got overlapping content or complex layouts. Think of layers like panes of glass stacked on top of each other. Enabling them lets you select the right one without hassle. Now, look through your Layers panel and locate the header. The header is usually at the very top of the stack, labeled pretty clearly. Click on Header. This focuses your attention just on the header section, helping you avoid editing anything else by mistake. If you have trouble finding it, sometimes resizing or minimizing panels can help, but the Layers feature is really designed to make this step straightforward. Okay, with your header selected, you'll want to click on Quick Edit. This option appears either as a button or sometimes as a small toolbar above the header element itself. Quick Edit is great because it brings up the customization controls without taking you away from the current page. No extra clicking around, no confusing menus. This way, you stay focused on what you're editing. Now, if you're aiming to change just the background color of the header, you'll see that option right in Quick Edit. Go ahead and select the background color. You'll be presented with the Wix Color Picker, which lets you choose absolutely any color you want. You can pick something from your brand palette, try out a fresh accent color, or even use a custom hex code if you're matching another element. Changing the background color here only affects the header on this page, so feel free to experiment. You won't mess up the rest of your website's design. If you're not sure which color to choose, don't worry. You can always preview how it looks and adjust before publishing. Once you've found the color that fits your vision, just hit Apply or Done, depending on what Wix shows you. And that's it. You've updated the header color for just this single page. That small change can really make a section pop or give a unique feel to your content. Double-check your results in preview mode to make sure everything looks just the way you want. And there you have it, a fast, easy way to customize your Wix header on a single page. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a like. Drop a comment below if you ran into any issues or have other Wix questions. And remember to subscribe for more simple, effective web design tips. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!